Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, we've got a bit of a special event happening this afternoon. We're going to have a bit of fun. I thought we'll try something out. We'll see if everyone joins in with this. So, what we're going to do is I'll tell you all about it in a few minutes' time. First of all, welcome everybody to the show. Excuse me, to the show. If it's your first time, as always, click subscribe. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live up to 10 hours a day every trading day. Smash the like button. Let us know you're here. Always nice. And let's see who we've got in the chat. Anyone guess what we're going to do today? Anyone got any ideas what we're going to do today? Well, you're about to find out. Good evening, everyone. There's Craig from the UK. Welcome, everybody. Let's have a look at this. Karen, thanks for last night's Instagram secret tip, Martyn. Your Rivian call paid well today. Thanks for last night's Instagram secret tip. I didn't put anything on Instagram, so that's got nothing to do with me. You're obviously following one of my scammers, Karen. Thanks for last night, Instagram secret tip. Martyn, your Rivian call paid well today. No idea, Karen, what you're talking about. I think you're following one of my scammers on Instagram. I keep warning people about that all the time. I have no idea what Karen is talking about. Hi, everyone. Anyway, check Dick Insider, huge run-up. Pat M, welcome to you. Mullen to go up. Well, let's have a look at Mullen right now. And I sold my position. I took a 48% profit, and I am very happy to do that. So, yeah, I have sold my position, and, yeah, very, very happy to do that. So there you go. Now then, let me just come out of this a minute. I've got something to show you this afternoon because Karen is saying that I sent a post about Rivian. I'm just checking my my feed. No. Tesla. No, didn't do that there. No, not at all. Some of you are following, scammer or not, would these tip the stock market is a casino waiting for tonight's tip, Martyn? Karen, I have no idea what you're talking about. I don't know why you'd be wanting to follow a scammer. I'm really quite confused why you would. But anyway, we're going to move on. I don't know what that's all about. Hello all, Mike, good afternoon. Let's talk Virgin Galactic. Let's talk Virgin Galactic. Well, I bought the bottom again today, and we took a 17% profit. We made a 4% profit the other day, and now today it's down 6%. I bought it. I bought 141 shares to see what happens. I'll buy it if it goes to 3. Hopefully send it on its way in a few minutes. Howdy, said Zinc. Keaton S, good afternoon. Pat M. Hi, Martyn, is Virgin Galactic going up from this point? Honestly, I could still see it going down even further from here. Oh, Karen is a bot. Yeah. Isn't it weird? It's getting worse, isn't it? It's getting worse. Yeah, so Mike, watch out for Karen and just get rid of the bots. We don't want that. I didn't post anything about Rivian on my Instagram. Anyway, thank you, Mike. Right, what we're going to do now, we're going to have a bit of fun. Today, we've had... Is everybody here? Is everybody in the house? All the members are here. 31. We're warming up nicely. Okay, we'll give it a couple more seconds, and then we're going to have a bit of fun today. Mark Zuckerberg and Elon Musk potentially having a cage fight, and the world's gone mad, right? So... whatever, we'll cover that. Anyway, Mike is AI. Mike is the most real person here. And this is getting so silly, isn't it? We've got to stop. We've got to get rid of these people. This is actually Mike, the human being.
Just wanted to let everybody know that this is the best YouTube channel in the world. And all the time that we've been here, it's been exciting. We've been part of a great family. Had a lot of struggles, but a lot of winnings. So whatever anybody thinks that they need not to join, they need to join because it pays off multiple ways.
Wonderful stuff. AI generated voice. Well, you could say that, other than the fact he just phoned me up and had a conversation. Anyway, I'm done. I'm done. There you go. I'm done. Fake voice and put user in timeout. Boom. Done. Finished. I got tired of wasting my time with these clowns. Okay, so what we're going to do this afternoon, we're going to have some fun. Okay, because Mark Zuckerberg has taken on. So let me. Now we've got everyone together. Let me make a video out of it. Okay, I want to make a video out of it. So let me go over to Meta right now, and let me go over to here. Okay, I think we're all set. So let me put the clock on. The clock is at 5:32. 5:32. Here we go. 5:32. This is Meta. Mike's going, that's funny. I slaved the bots. I just get tired of it. I'm a human being. I get sick and tired of scammers and people with waste of space. I ain't got time for it anymore. All right, zero tolerance has gone now minus zero tolerance. You saw what happened this morning. We've managed to sort Peru out. He can't do any more 1 cent tips anymore. I've taken care of that. And now we've taken care of Karen. We'll just get rid of all the clowns. Right, done. Zero tolerance is now minus 10. All right. Okay, so we're going to have some fun here. What we're going to do now, let's have a look at this. Class action lawsuit against YouTube stock channels being presented to SEC on July the 8th. Good luck, Martin. Couple of channels already stopped uploading videos on this news. Yeah, right. From now on, I'm going to start training myself. If we see silly comments, I'm not even going to read them out because that is absolutely blooming ridiculous. Okay, here we go. New focus. We're going to be zero tolerance minus 10. We are not going to waste a single second more on people who are trying to waste my time. My time is way too valuable, and I've given you idiots enough of my time. Let's move on. So here we go. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. We have got a new dawning. We have got potentially a cage fight between Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg. That's brewing up nicely now on social media, and if that ever goes ahead, of course, we'll cover it live here on the show. Now, one thing we want to talk about today, and we're going to do a real life experiment. We're going to see what happens. Live in my show. This is unedited as it happens, being made in my live show. This is the Meta chart right now. As you can see, it's popped up a little bit. As you can see, a couple of days ago on the news about Threads. Threads is out today, and Mark Zuckerberg is quite excited because it's already running into, I think, 28 million people that have downloaded the app already. Excuse me. What makes it so easy and why it's a real thing against Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg is because you don't have to set up a whole new platform, start from the very beginning. Threads is integrated and a partner of Instagram. And of course, Instagram is Facebook. So you're already in with all your friends and your followers, okay? I downloaded it this morning. It works seamlessly. I got it. I tried it out, and I only need one app. I don't need two apps for my Martyn Lucas Investor and Martyn Lucas. I've got one app for both, and it just simply connects to my Instagram, and then everybody can then follow you across and so on and so forth. So what we're going to do now, we're going to have a little bit of fun on this. Is Twitter in trouble? Is Elon Musk going to really hate this? Because I've looked at it, and it does actually look just like Twitter, or thereabouts. And if you think about it, all your followers that you've already got on Instagram and now potentially your followers on Threads, okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to have a little bit of fun. We're going to look at this right now. First of all, I'm going to read you the news about it. We're going to compare whether we think it's going to benefit the stock price of Meta. Well, we can see it's gone up a couple of days ago, like 6%. It shot up, and now it's going sideways again. And then we can look at Twitter, and then we're going to do a real life test. So here's the news first of all. This is what I discovered earlier, and then we'll do a real life test and let's see how it all pans out. You ready? Okay. Introducing Threads, a new way to share with text. If you think about it, Facebook is your social media, your pictures, your posts, whatever you do. Instagram is for your pictures and reels, okay? And then Threads is like Twitter, a place to just post the news or whatever. 3 separate things. So let's have a look, and then we're going to do a real life test, and let's see what happens. Introducing Threads, a new way to share with text, okay? Let's scroll down. There's a little logo. You've seen how it all works. Try to be a little bit Twitterish, right? With the @ sign there. I like that. Takeaways. Threads is a new app built by the Instagram team for sharing text updates and joining public conversations. You log in using your Instagram account. Now, one downside to it already is I've got 2 accounts. I've got my Martyn Lucas Investor for the investing, and I've got Martyn Lucas for the music. I have to log out in and out of both, whereas Instagram, I tap between the 2. I'm logged into both at the same time. So it's a bit frustrating so far. However, there you go. That's not a problem. You log in using your Instagram account and can post up to 500 characters long, including links, photos, and videos up to 5 minutes in length. Okay, very Twitter-esque at the moment. We're working to soon make Threads compatible with the open, interoperable social networks that we believe can shape the future of the internet. Mark Zuckerberg just announced that the initial version of Threads, an app built by Instagram team for sharing with text, whether you're a creator or a casual poster. Threads offers a new separate space for real-time updates and public conversations. We are working toward making Threads compatible with the open, interoperable social networks that we believe can shape the future of the internet. Instagram is where billions of people around the world connect over photos and videos. Our vision with Threads is to take what Instagram does best and expand to text, creating a positive and creative space to express your ideas. In other words, Twitter. Just like on Instagram, with Threads, you can follow and connect with friends and creators who share your interests, including the people you follow on Instagram and beyond. And you can use our existing suite of safety and user controls. Join the conversation with Instagram. This is what we're about to do. We're about to do a real life test in a minute. It's easy to get started with Threads. Simply use your Instagram account to log in. Your Instagram username and verification will carry over with the option to customize your profile specifically for Threads. Wonderful stuff. Okay, there's a little bit of imagery over there as well. Log in with Instagram. You can see that. It looks just like Twitter, doesn't it? Just like Twitter. You've got your verification ticks there. Fantastic. Everyone who's under the age of 16 or under 18 in certain countries will be defaulting to a private profile. They can join Threads. You can choose to follow the same account you do on Instagram and find more people who care about the same things you do. All right, let's scroll down, have a little look bit further. Keep on going down. Your feeds on Threads include threads posted by people you follow and recommended content from new creators you haven't discovered yet. Tune out the noise. We built Threads with tools to enable positive, productive conversation, blah, blah, blah. The list goes on and on and on, and all the rest of it. Okay, there's a little bit about it, and we'll leave that there. Okay, that'll do. That'll do for a minute. Now then, what we want to do, let's have a quick look. All you've got to do is download Threads, and then once you've downloaded it, it links automatically to your account, all right, on Instagram. You can't change anything at all. It's just the way it is, and I'm just actually looking now. Before I share this, we're going to have a bit of fun now. I'm going to try something in a minute. Do that. That takes you back to Instagram. All right, just do that. Okay, just doing a couple of little tests, and then we're going to see what happens. Okay. That links to there. No links there. Okay. Right. Oh, I see. Black or white. Okay, black or white. All right. So we're going to do a little test now. So what we're going to do is this. We're going to treat it like Twitter just for a moment, okay? So first of all, on the screen, we're going to have a bit of fun here just for a second, okay? And are you ready? So I'll edit the video there. So we're going to do a little do that again. So we're going to now do a real-time test comparing it to Twitter and have some fun with our audience. So here we go. We're going to look at Threads now. This is Martyn Lucas Investor, the one everybody here is interested in. So scan the screen. Get your phones out. Scan the screen. Are you ready? Are you scanning the screen? That's my Twitter Threads. Now, what that should do is download your download Threads for you. So if you're watching this later, you'll be doing this later and you'll be joining me later. We're going to do a little bit of a test. So download that now, okay? You either do it in real time with me now, you can rewind the video or watch it later. Okay, you all done that? Fantastic. What we're going to do now then is we're going to do a post here. You can now follow me on Threads, which is like Twitter. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a little post here. And let me see. Can I actually do it within can I actually write the thing? Get the Threads app to see more from Martyn Lucas. Okay, we got that. How can I write a comment? I obviously can't write the comment. This is blowing my video already. I was hoping I could write a comment directly in here, but it doesn't look like I can. Hi all. No, it's not letting me do it. So you can only see it on here. Well, that's ruined it. Let me do this then. Now I've got to go and do this. This has made it complicated. I might already have it. No, I've already got it. I've already got it. I've got my phone set up to switch accounts. I don't want that one. Okay. Okay. Log in with another Instagram account. Okay, bloody hell. I thought this was going to be easier than this. This isn't going well at all. Okay, Instagram, bloody hell. I thought I was prepared for this. This hasn't gone well. Okay, there it is. Let's see if this works. Let's see if this works. It's probably going to be 300 save password. Yeah. Don't know why it's asking me to do all that. Allow. Blimey. Okay. Right. Okay. Can I write in here? Yes, I can. Okay. Let me show you how it works then. So we're going to cut back to this. Here we go. Let's see if we can do this now live. So we're going to switch across now to the app on my phone. This is Martyn Lucas Investor, as you can see, threads.net. So it looks just like Twitter. You can't yet post on the website, so it seems. So I'm going to say, okay, hi to all my traders. Hi, investors. Investors on my show. There we go. Hi, investors. And I'm just going to post that. There's my second post of the day. Okay. It says it's uploaded. Very good. Now there it is on my thread, which is just like Twitter. Now if I go back to my Threads on the desktop, we're going to go back over to that now. Here we go. And as you can see, hi investors, it's popped up to the top. But as I click on it, it won't let me like. It keeps trying to get everyone to sign up. That's a bit annoying. I obviously can't do anything on the website at the moment. All I can do is share it and show you. Okay, so there's my position. There's my on the website, right? You can't do anything. You can't post anything there. You're just looking at it, if you like. So now I've given you all this. Oh, hang on. Let's get the iOS. Don't want that. Okay, right. Have you all done that? Have you all got my Instagram? Have you all scanned the screen and done that? If you want the link for it, I'll give you copy post link. There we go. Let me put that in the chat. Let's try this. There you go. There's the link. So try that. Download that. Click on that. This is. Do we not all think that it's just gone too far? The only piece that people were helping here are the billionaires and the trillionaires. All right, it's crazy, right? We don't need this anymore, do we? Do we need this stuff? Do we need another app? I don't know if we do. Virgin Galactic says M4 TDD. Space Galactic, 2 flights. News tomorrow. There's no news tomorrow. I don't know where you got that from. That's not true. M4 TD. You keep saying stuff like that, which is not true. So we're not going to report on that. Oh man, how embarrassing for this to happen on live TV. Well, there you go. These things happen, eh? So how come you keep the chat? You keep the chat off these days. I don't keep the chat off these days, Steve. You're chatting. You are chatting with me. What do you mean? I keep the chat off. There it is. I do everyone's comments. How's Mr. Lucas? Joined thread this morning. Forgot to check it till now. Just did. Got 60 followers. Yeah, it's amazing, right? That makes no sense. I don't know what that's about. Last night it was released. Yes, cage fight is old news. Yes, we know about that, but I'm on about. I'm just letting you know. Just bringing you updated with everything else. We're being bombarded today by Mike. Looks very, very busy in the chat. Oh man, we have to raise the security levels again. I've got loads of levels we can raise it to. Anyway, this isn't working the way I wanted it to, so we're going to move on from it. It's not the way I wanted it to be. You can't actually text on the screen, so there's not much point showing you it. I thought I could. So we're going to leave it. What a rubbish segment to my show that was. Well, it was live entertainment. Let's go back. Let's go back to the beginning of the show and start all over again. We got 40 minutes to go. Probably just as well, wouldn't it? Right, here we go. Portfolio's red today. The studio is red. The S&P is down. It's 404. It's coming back. It's okay. I'm okay. You got it, Mike. Thank you. Very good indeed. Virgin Galactic is down. I bought this morning on the way down, and I'm holding it. Mullen, we got out. Just want to get out of all this scammy rubbishy stock. It popped up. We took a 48% profit, and I'm out of it. I'm completely out of it right now. On my main account, I've got my main account is shut down. I've sold every single share. On my Roth IRA, I'm still down 479. I'm down 71%. I'm hoping to get my money out of it, and then I'll just get out. I could take $188 and run. But I thought, what the hell? As far as I was concerned, it was over anyway. Anyway, let's go through. Apple is looking good today. Yes, indeed. Amazon is still down. McDonald's is coming back up again. Coca-Cola is going sideways. J&J is down today. Google is down. Microsoft is down. And Walmart is getting better. It's still too expensive, though. Tesco is going up again. Next Era Energy. Now, it's been going sideways all day. I've been buying more of it all day. Next Era Energy. I like it. People are talking about news and rumors about Virgin Galactic. That's insane. People are talking about news and rumors about Virgin Galactic. Hey, my loss. People are making up stories all the time and sending it into me, and we keep raising the level of security. More and more people get, banned from our channel because of it. It's getting worse and worse every day. But, I'm always going to find a way to protect everyone, filter it out, and that's exactly what we're doing. So I wouldn't worry about it. Now then, I've got some important news that I only discovered this morning. Remember this morning's show, I said I was going to have a phone call with MailChimp about our text service and our email service. Well, I had a long conversation with them this morning, and sorry, Martin, I was looking into threads. Yeah, I have NEE too. I discovered this morning after a long conversation, very disappointing to discover that some of you were finding it impossible to sign up for the newsletter and the text service because of one particular setting. So hopefully now we fixed it on mobile and on computer. Let me show you what I mean. We only realized this morning when some of you wanted the newsletter. Remember I said you only had to put in your email, your name, date of birth. If you want the Christmas card, the birthday card was optional. Well, that was all correct, but it also made you put your cell phone in. Even though I'd asked it to be optional, it was still making it you had to put it in. And then it had to be a US phone number. Well, we're a global audience. I don't want it to be just for the Americans. I've got more people who watch me around the world than watch me just in America. So now I've changed it. I've made it better. If you want my newsletter and you want my Christmas cards and birthday cards and special treats, and if you've already signed up for the old one, you can go and update this. You can put your email in here, your name, your date of birth, and it'll work. You don't have to be in the US and you don't have to have a cell phone. You can just have the email, okay? If you decide you want the Lucas Titbits SMS service, you click on that, it opens this page, and you can put in your cell phone here if you want the text service, okay? You'll only get 4 texts a month from me. And there. You don't have to put your name, you don't have to put your date of birth, but you do have to put your email. All right, that's just the way the security system works because it links you to the same accounts. Okay, you have to do that. But this way, you've now got the choice. I know some of you could not get the newsletter because you didn't either want to give a cell phone number for the text service or you were outside of the United States. Well, now you can do it. I fixed it. So if you want to go to martynlucas.com, I'll give you the link here on the screen, and you can see exactly what I mean. All right, there you go. So you can all get it now with no more trouble. Sorry for all the confusion. I had no idea it was even like that. I tested it and I realized that people couldn't do it if they wasn't in the US. What a nightmare. Anyway, let's have a look. I have NEE2. Yes, I have just got it. I'm very happy to have it as well. So whoops-a-daisy, come back of there. What's going to happen tomorrow? Red or green day? Red or green day? Well, I think today has been an overreaction to the state of the rate hikes. It was always known, and I think the market, as it always does, overreacts. It overreacts upwards and it overreacts downwards. So today has been an overreaction. I wouldn't be surprised if we have a green day tomorrow. I'd say it's very likely. I haven't received email for 2 weeks. No, Mike, nobody has. I haven't been sending emails out. I'm still building the service. I can't go on like this, Martin. I can't go on. I can't go on like this. What, the red and the green, the red days? I signed the new one also. Yes, that's right, Mike. Don't you worry. No one has received a text. No one has received an email. We haven't started it yet. Once it starts, it'll be every week again. Manchester United will be sold next week. Buy it now. I don't see any value in for shareholders buying a football club. That's not an investment for me. I'm not a fan of buying football clubs, I'm afraid. I don't think it makes any money for the shareholders long term. It's good for the owners. It's good for the fans. It's not good for the investors, in my opinion. They spend too much money on the players. What's up, Tio? Hi, Mike. Yeah, that's crazy. Swedes also want the newsletter. Exactly. Privet, I've now fixed it. So there you go. Just for Privet from the from Sweden. There you go. You can put your email in. If you want to customize it with your name, you can. If you want the birthday card treat, you can put that in, but you don't have to. If you then say, hey, I want the text service, you can click on that and you can get the text service. It is only for the United States though. There's nothing I can do about that right now, but at least they are separate services and you're not going to miss out because you happen to live in Sweden. I was like, what's going on? This is ridiculous. Why are you setting it up like that? Anyway, sell off Friday. I don't know. Craig, do you reckon? I reckon we might have a green day tomorrow. I think we've overreacted, honestly. Hi, Martin. Okay, good. Right, don't worry, Mike. Mike was getting all worried there for a minute. Okay, hey, Craig. Let's welcome our guests. Now then, the S&P is climbing back up again, looking all right. Virgin Galactic, I bought the dip this morning. I'm nearly in the money. Should I sell it? Sell off Friday, according to Craig. I don't mind. Now I'm scalp trading it. Once we get near the flights, once we get a rumor of the flights coming out, we can buy it again. All right, and we can load up and we can own it. Right now, if you buy it when it's down and you can make 5-10%, take your money. Why not? Are you winning on the stock market? Says Drillion. Well, It's a good question. He's asking Mike that question, but I'll tell you where I am right now, and I'm very happy with my portfolio. You can see I'm at 43,000. I've got $3,500 in cash. I've got less now because I've just bought all that $1,000 worth of NEE, Next Era Energy. I've got 15, nearly 16 grand in the Roth IRA, and that brings me up to 58.8. 60,000 is our all-time high. So we're only just a little bit off. I'm quite happy. I think I'm okay with that. So let's have a look at it on the live, on the week, on the month, on the 3 months, on the year to date. We're all up. Brilliant. On my main account. If we go to the Roth IRA, we're up. We are up on the week, we're up on the month, we're up on 3 months, we're up on year to date, we're up on 1 year, and we're up on all. So consistently up all across the board, 100%. So looking pretty good. Virtually all-time highs across everywhere. I am happy. I couldn't be happier. And in fact, I've got some really nice dividend stocks I bought today. What have we bought today? We bought a lot more NEE, Next Era Energy. I think that the solar is about to take off, so I bought more. And the dividends alone are paying me $13 a quarter. I've now added to my position by a third. So I'm going to be in the region of 5, 10. I'm going to be in the region of $18 a quarter now, which is $6 a month. Without doing anything. It's a reliable dividend. I expect it to increase as well. And I also think that we are buying at the bottom of Next Era Energy as well. Same as Enphase. I think we are approaching the bottoms of these stocks, and I'm happy. So that's good. Let's read some of the comments. Martin, it still says invalid number when I set it to Danish phone number. Yes, Henrik, you won't be able to get the text service, but you can get the email service. Only Americans can get the text service right now. That might change, and if that changes, I'll let you know. And it will change. Right now, it's just a new service. So at the moment, it's just the email. And if you get the email, I will put it in the email that we've now released the international text service. But before, you couldn't even sign up for the newsletter unless you had a US phone number. Well, now we've separated it, so that doesn't happen. Okay? Mike, are you winning on the stock? I posted on Instagram on Threads. Very good, Stephen. Have you replied to me then on my thread? Martyn Lucas Investor. No one's done it yet. No one's done it. Look, this is go to Threads, because you should have now followed me now, Stephen. Have you followed me, Martyn Lucas Investor, on Threads? It gives you the option to follow the people you were following before. Follow me, and you could reply to this. Let me refresh it. Who's going to be the very first person to do it? Let me refresh it. Okay. Oh, I've had 3 likes. There you go. I've had a like, but no comments yet. So who's going to be the very first person to leave a comment to me on Threads in the whole wide world? I'll refresh it again. Let's have a look. Nobody yet. I'll come back to that in a minute. Mull is dropping again. Yeah, I've taken my position from Mull. I'm out of it. I made 48% profit. Drilling, hell no. Mike, Drilling says, oh, I'm sorry about that. Your opinion of Tesla. Bank of America has a price target of $300. Let's have a look at Tesla this afternoon. All right. Where's my Tesla gone? Where is my Tesla? Why can I not see my Tesla? There it is. It depends what we're talking. I think $300 in the next 12 months, most certainly. Most certainly, I think the earnings is going to be good. We're going to get a volatility before then. I am not selling my Tesla now. I'm so far up on it, and I don't mean that account. I mean this one. Looking at the wrong one. I'm up 60%, nearly 61%. I feel now that I can hold this. I don't need to sell it. And I think we've got a long way to go. It's a long-term investment. Yes, I did. You did comment. Let me have a look then. Let me refresh the screen. One reply. Hey, McCoverley is the first person to do it. There you go. Coverley was the first person to comment on my... Can I do that? No. You have to use the app to do it. Look, he wants you to do the app. Use the app. But anyway, there you go. I can see it, but you can't actually reply. Look, there's retweets. Look. And there you go. Thank you ever so much indeed, mate. So, anyway. Your opinion of Tesla. Bank of America has a target price of $300. You tell me. Okay, you got it? All right, that's from Henrik. We won't touch Moan with a barge pole. No, once we're out, we're out. I'm looking forward to getting the other half of my portfolio out as well. Good evening, team from Reading, UK. Stormin Norman. Made my money on it earlier. Congratulations. Congratulations, Robbie. Mike, find Open Insiders on Google. It shows that CEO purchases are next level investment. Find Open Insiders on Google. It shows what CEO purchases are next level investment. Drilling Demarge. I'm not quite sure what you mean. Mike, when you find the link that Drilling is talking about, can you share it with me on Discord, please, so I can have a look at it? Martyn Lucas, are you willing to build a friendship with a new guy that is fantastic at technical? Of course, absolutely. Would love to build the team. We're always looking to build the team. Always looking to build the team. Yes. What's your opinion on the Premiership? I love the Premiership. Manchester United is my favourite team. But I'm just not going to invest on it. I don't think it's a good investment. Just seen that new Threads thing is warning people not to follow Donald Trump and other individuals the deep state don't like. Oh my gosh. I'm not getting involved with that. What is going on? Did you see you are up 60% on Tesla? Yeah, I know. I'm actually 60%, not 66, but yeah. Did you say you're a 66%? Oh, I'm 60%. Yeah, 60%. I've made $1,672. There it is, right there, yeah. It's good, isn't it? Happy Christmas. Yeah, Privet from Sweden. We got Sweden. Did we fly the... In fact, did we add Sweden? Did we add Sweden to our list? I can't remember. Could someone remind me? Did we add Sweden the other day? No! We've still not got a Swedish person on our list. I cannot believe it. Sweden are going to be the last people to come on the list. I don't know why that is. No Sweden. No Sweden. We've got Chile, USA, UK, Australia, Turkey, Italy, Ireland, Portugal, Uruguay, Canada, Uganda, Lebanon, Norway, South Africa, Argentina, Germany, Dominican Republic, Mexico, Denmark are in. Mauritius, Czech Republic, Lithuania, Romania, Morocco, Costa Rica, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Croatia, Israel, Netherlands, Rwanda, Palestine, Iran, Jamaica, Taiwan, South Korea, and Ecuador. No, we've got Denmark. We haven't got Finland, Sweden, and we've got Norway as well. So Norway and Denmark are in. Sweden and Finland aren't in. Sweden and Finland aren't in. No one has joined yet from Sweden. Privet, you've got to become the Swedish member. Surely, Privet, you've been following me for I don't know how long. Here's the membership link, and then we can fly the flag for you. I joined your newsletter before. If you talk about that, you need to update your information for the new newsletter, because now we've got extra stuff. All right, we've got extra stuff. There's the link. Right, there's the link in the chat. We've now got birthday cards, Christmas cards, and you can personalize it by adding your name if you want to. If you don't want to, you don't have to. And there you go. Lucas Titbits Tech Service is only for those in the United States at the moment. It will update soon, so I'm told. Was talking about the Premier African Mineral. Oh, sorry, I didn't know what you meant. Okay, says Privet. Right, no Sweden yet. Shall we talk in Swedish? Shall we be fancy? Let's do it. Let's do it. English. Hey, Privet, become a member and you will be the first person to fly the flag forever for Sweden. There you go. Privet. Privat. I think it's Privat. Not 100% certain, but there you go. Here we go.
Hej privat, bli medlem så blir du den första personen som flaggar för alltid för Sverige.
I'm being told, will I change the green background? It's red. I can't change the background. It's the market is down. What can I do? If the market turns green, I will turn the studio green. But it's red right now. There ain't nothing I can do about it. It's red right now. If the market turns green, we will turn the studio green. But unfortunately, we are red right now. That's how it is. Anyway. Okay. Virgin Galactic. Are we going to turn green in the last 20 minutes? Normally it goes up in the after hours. I don't mind holding it to the after hours. I'd like to get my money out. Do a day trade. Rivian doing very well. What an up and down this has been. Look at this. Hey, from $180 all the way down and now it's riding back up again. Look at that. Look at that. Let's see how it goes. Mullen, all the way back down again. Did you all take your money out? Thank God I did that. Green. You'd love to see green. Do we have a Wakanda yet? Do we have Wakanda yet? I have no idea what that is, a man from Earth. But I do know this much. I do know this much about you. And here is a man from Earth. You want to hear it? A man from Earth? Here he is.
My name is Akil, also known as the Man from Earth, and I'm with the Martyn Lucas family, the investor family, and what we do every day is we go over investing. And the reason why I joined this family is I was looking for some news about Virgin Galactic when the spike went up like last week, and it led me directly to the show, and I started watching. I'm like, wow, this guy, I love the energy in here, and it's great, man. So, I became a member, Actually, I became a sponsor one day last week, a sponsor of the bill, for Poodle Kill Urban Apparel. I'm the CEO and owner of that company. And we love this. Martyn Lucas, the Virgin Galactic whole thing. We love it because, the energy in here is great, and I love
it. I love that. Great, isn't it? Put a bot, half human, keep it running. I've no idea what we're saying there. Sorry about that. I bought Virgin Galactic 10,000 shares. This is our friend from Russia today. I want to say congratulations. Wow, that's incredible. So I want to say congratulations to Pavel today from Russia, who's bought 10,000 shares of Virgin Galactic. Congratulations to you. I think it's Pavel. Let me just, I think if I remember that correctly. Check me out for reading Russian. How about that? Was it Ravel? Oh, it might be Ravel. Hang on.
Ravil.
Ravil.
Ravel.
Ravil. There it is. I've got to change it. It's not Pavel. It's Ravil. Right, I'm going to get it right now. R-A-V-I-L. Here we go. And this is in Russian. Got to get it right. Got to get it right. Here we go.
Поздравляю сегодня Равиля из России, купившего 10 тысяч акций Virgin Galactic. Поздравляю тебя.
Okay. Where do we go, sweet Chuck? I can do Guns N' Roses. If I get a good super chat, during the show, I'll do Guns N' Roses in the show. Yeah, I'll do Axl Rose live on the show for you. All right, but you got to have a good super chat for that though. Right, SMP, Virgin Galactic. Hello, Drillian. It's been a long time. What's about you? Says Ale Drummer. Ale and Paddy, how are you this afternoon? Joby, Palantir, Rivian is running and running and running. Mullen is going all the way down. Go up. Go up. I'm not sure what go up means. Where do we go, sweet child? Guns N' Roses. Yep, I can sing that. Gold. Going back up. Need a stock tip? I'll trade you one for a super chat. Mrs. Stephen Walgreens. Mrs. Stephen Walgreens. Do you own Walgreens? Maybe you should buy Walgreens. There's my top tip for you. I've been buying solar today. I've been buying solar because Next Era Energy, in my opinion, is oversold. It comes with a good dividend. It's a good business. I like it. I've added to my position, and I think there's plenty of growth in this. Enphase Energy has the best balance sheet of any stock on the stock market. I like that one as well. We're buying Virgin Galactic for a bit of a scalp interest because of the flight's imminent end of this month. Never seen you do Yellow Brick Road. Oh yeah, I can do Goodbye Yellow Brick Road as well. Friday night, tomorrow night is music night. Live on the show tomorrow night. I will do Sweet Child of Mine, Guns N' Roses, and I will also do Goodbye Yellow Brick Road tomorrow night on the show. How about that? Tilray Brands is going down now, big time, 155. We're hitting those lows again. We've been as low as 153, but we're right on the bottom again. Absolutely awful. I don't know if Tilray's even going to survive at this level. Thanks for asking, Martin. I'm fine. I'm glad to hear it. Thank you very much. Ravel. Why do I keep saying Pavel? It's Ravel, isn't it? R-A-V. Ravel. All right. Okay. Let me check a couple of bits of information. We don't need that. We don't need that. Let's close that down. And what else have we got? Right. Welcome our guests over on Rumble this afternoon. There's 12 of you watching on Rumble. Thank you ever so much indeed. Live Trimmer Cafe, I'm over there as well. What about Facebook? Hello. Oh, shall we like that? We not like that yet. Okay. There we go. Now then, let me just check this. Snow Wolf earlier, I missed this. Snow Wolf became a silver member today. So Snow Wolf, if you are here...
Snow Wolf 1999 has become a member, up 0.19%.
If you wanted to go on the homepage of my YouTube channel, if you're a YouTuber, let me know and I will upgrade your account for you. And are you already on Discord? So let me go and check my Bloomberg feeds, see what's going on over there. Fuel demand's impact on oil stocks. Let's have a quick listen in here. This will be interesting.
Energy space. I'm thinking today in particular, Exxon really struggling. Do you look at news like that and think this is a day to buy?
Yeah, so we think the big majors broadly, whether we're talking Europe or the U.S., are the most unattractive because if you're the large asset management shop, which we have these big asset managers that we've really never had, they want to go out and buy $1 billion or $2 billion or $5 billion of oil equities. Yeah. There's only certain names they can go to do that. And so the opportunity, I think, really sits in kind of like a sub, say $70 billion or sub $50 billion world where you can get plenty of liquidity for someone that likes big equities like us, but you're not paying the premium for that liquidity. So, you know, we own names like Ovintiv, we own names like Apache, APA, and in our U.S. equity portfolio. Up in Canada, we've been buying the Meg Energies of the world, the Cenovus's, because we just get so much more attractive terms as an investor, and it is not coming with balance sheet risk like it had prior. It's free cash flow, it's large return on equity, and that's at $70 WTI.
You're still in on Occidental and ConocoPhillips? That's still
we still own Oxy. Buffett buying that on a regular basis. There's just no question. Why would I buy it out if I can continue to let the open market allow me to buy this share of the company?
Cole, speaking supply demand metrics, and just got about 35 seconds here. You also, at least based on your latest filings, D.R. Horton, NVR, home builders, still buying into that space?
Yeah, we still own large stakes in those builders, NVR, Lennar, and DR Horton. I mean, we just watched the rally that no one thought could be possible at over 6% mortgage rates. So what I love is the market was completely confused with that. The credit market damage they thought was going to ruin housing. And yet...
Okay. That's enough of that for the minute. Private, you got your first Swedish person. No, you're not a member. It's a member here on the channel. You're not, you'd have a badge if you were. So I'd love to welcome you, but you're not. It's a membership. I don't think you understand what I'm saying. So let me do that again. Let me explain it to you. You need to be a YouTube member for me to fly the flag for Sweden. The link is in the chat. Okay.
Du måste vara YouTube-medlem för att jag ska flagga för Sverige. Länken finns i chatten.
Okay, there we go. There we go. Just making sure. I just signed up for your first Swedish member. I'm afraid not. I own MTDR, oil, good dividend. I own Chevron, and I've never made any money from it. I have been paid for the dividends though. I've had one dividend payout. Dividend from the S&P. Hang on a minute. That's not what I'm looking at. I'm looking at. Hang on a minute. That's the wrong one. Chevron. Where's my Chevron gone? There we go. I've had a payout of dividend at 10.57. I've had it twice. March. It's every quarter. March, then June. But I'm still out of the money on it. It's not that great. I've had $20, and if you look at the stock, I'm down 165. So I'm down on in the moment. I really actually want to get out. I never liked oil in the first place. It's not for me. And I thought you talked about the newsletter. Oh, well, you got the newsletter as well, so that's great. That's great, okay? Anyway. Chevron. It's down, but I've had it lower, so I'm not going to buy any more Chevron. That doesn't interest me at all. The sooner I can get my money out of it, the better. As far as I'm concerned, anyway. The S&P. Let me just check some more news coming in. Okay, what we got here. Here's a few of the charts. Let's have a look at this. We've got the Dow Jones is down 1, S&P is down 0.76, Nasdaq is down 0.8. As you can see, looking a bit down today. Everyone were reacting this morning to the news of the potential rug pull from the Fed. That's coming up in a few weeks' time. Looking forward to that one, of course. And Ben says, what's your take profit strategy for your solar stocks? They're long-term investments for me. They're long-term investment. I see huge potential growth over the next 5 to 10 years. So if I get a 30% up, I will trim off the top at some point. Always take profits. There's no point waiting for some magical number. If I can take profits along the journey, I will do so. So as far as I'm concerned, I'm going to be earning a decent dividend regularly with this. I expect it to become a dividend king. I really feel it could be a Coca-Cola or J&J when it comes to a dividend reliability. And I'm going to hold it. And at the moment, I'm down 2.92. I keep buying more when it goes down. But I would like to be able to trim that off. If I find I'm up 20% on it, then I think, what the hell, I will take a small bit, trim off the top and get a little bit out of it. But anyway, that's my feeling on it. Anyway. What's your thought on that? The S&P, Virgin Galactic, Rocket Labs, Joby's getting cheaper. We're starting to talk about it. Don't sell virtual high. Don't sell a virtual high. What do you mean by that? Funny something, Roxon QQQ red light. We are red in the studio, so that's why everything is red. Don't sell a virtual high. Just look at the sky. What's your take profit strategy? Yeah, that's my thoughts. What do you think on it? Have you got it? Rivian is still running. I can't believe I sold this just before it took off. I sold it at $16. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Missed out on $5 a share, and I had like 30 shares of it. Can you believe it? But anyway, I did sell it. This guy here is on Bloomberg. This guy, I want to show you this guy. I feel sorry for this guy. This guy on Bloomberg is probably some really important person. He's sat in a cupboard. He's got the worst studio in the world. He's right by the window where people keep walking past. He hasn't got a proper pair of headphones. They've given him some really rubbishy headphones. And, and he's got that giant microphone. I really feel sorry for that guy. Whoever that guy is, someone needs to be nice to him because he's not treated very well. Look, this guy here. He's literally in the end window. He doesn't have a proper studio. Look, this guy on Bloomberg. You'd think that Bloomberg would have all the would have everything, right? And they don't. He's treated very badly. I'm going to bring him up. Let's show you this. And can I get to it? No, it's not going to let me. Oh, there it is. There it is. Look, see? He's got a pair of old wired headphones. He's got a rubbish microphone. What? How did this guy end up like this? Whoever this guy is, he's being treated really badly. I feel sorry for him. For some reason, I can't show you. He won't let me show him. I don't know why he won't do it. There he is. Oh, forget it. Anyway, I don't know what it is. There he is. There's that bloke. Look. This bloke here. He sat by a window on Bloomberg with a giant microphone. He's got rubbishy little wired headphones. He's on Bloomberg. What's going on with that? He's like he's in his mum's bedroom. Anyway, buy 100. You could give him some shelter in your studio. I mean, what's it all about? This is a guy working on Bloomberg, the biggest thing in the world, finance. And like he's in the corner. He's people walking past. He's got his little. I mean, it's rubbish, isn't it? Imagine him sitting next to Martyn doing his own job tomorrow. Yeah. He's back. He's back. Look, he's back. Look, people literally walking past the window. He's got a pair of he's got old headphones. There's a guy walking past with a can of Coke. Right? What? This is a guy on the news. Isn't it terrible? They probably thought he's old now. It's not important. We just stick him in the corner. No one cares what he does. I think it's terrible. What a way to treat the old bloke. Unbelievable. You can actually see him in the bottom of this screen. If you look here, look, he's here, look, he's just there in the corner in this little thing. Makes me laugh. It's not right, is it? It's not respecting your elders, that ain't. Anyway, Mullen, rubbish, going all the way back down again. Rivian, FRXP. What does that mean? Let me go back to Rivian and have a look. Still running. Unbelievable. No idea what that's all about. Anyway, poor old bloke. Should have a bit of respect for the old bloke. Don't know why he's getting such bad treatment. I really don't. Anyway, would you treat other stocks you don't necessarily believe in run the same, or would you sell all at 20 to 30%? No, they're all different. They all get judged differently. I don't just sell at 20%. That doesn't make any sense. If a stock has a potential to rise 1,000%, let it run to 1,000%. That doesn't mean to say you can't trim along the journey. Oh, thank you very much indeed, T.O. Thank you ever so much. It's time to ring the bell. The bell today is sponsored by Sensei Crypto, as it is every day. There's no surprise there, really. It's a Sensei Crypto bell, isn't it? So it's kind of like it's a given thing. All right, 20 seconds to go. We're counting down. Are you ready? Let's get ready to rock and roll. Here, live in the studio, next to the window, with me wired headphones hanging out my head. Brilliant. Okay, we've got just a few seconds to go. The studio is still red, and we've got a few seconds to go. As sponsored by Sensei Crypto. In 3, 2, 1. The bell has gone. Oh, that's it. All right, Sensei Crypto. You can check out all his links below. God, I've got to stop doing that. It's giving me earache. Leah's going, yeah, I ate that bloody bell. I ate that bloody Sensei bell, she says. Right, here we go. The overall market is still red. I can't turn the studio green, I'm afraid. Tomorrow we will. Tomorrow we'll turn it green. You bet it. You bet it. You did a one-way ticket. Gotcha, says Mike. A one-way ticket. Hey family, lovely to be back live. Poya Bastani. Here he is. This guy's from Iran. This guy is from Iran. Craig Bennington has liked the stream. There you go. Now, Poya, I need you to phone in. I'm going to open up Discord because I've got a few people I've not yet recorded. I want to record people. I want to get people on the show. All right? So let's have a quick listen into our latest people. It's our brand new people. We've got Mike.
Just wanted to let everybody know that this is the best YouTube channel in the world. And
there's Mike. We got Maximo.
So I'm Maximo. I'm from Jordan. I'm from across the world.
From
I'm not
Jordan.
in the US, but
Marion.
Everybody, you should watch Martyn. He's amazing. He loves to drink whiskey, lay flat on the floor.
Yeah, enough of that. We shouldn't be talking about that. What about Leo?
I like the way you explain people your thinking and the stock. You're really honest and you really tell the way it is.
Thank you very much, Leo. Who else have we got? We got MSK.
Yeah, I'm part of the community with Martyn because it's true and it's honest and everyone's polite, everyone's genuine. It's a great community to join. Everyone's supportive. Everyone has something knowledgeable and wise to share. And I've definitely benefited from this community. So what you're doing is great, Martyn. Thank you.
Hey, you won't believe it. We got Poya from Iran. Poya from Iran is in the chat, so we're going to bring him in. Poya, welcome to the Martyn Lucas Investor Channel. How are you? Poya, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Fantastic. Welcome. I believe you're calling from Iran. Is that right?
I'm calling from UK, but yeah, I'm from Iran.
Iran, that's it. Wonderful stuff. Thank you ever so much. How was the weather for you today? Whereabouts are you in the UK?
In Sunderland, northeast of England. The weather it's been a bit of a cloud, but still we're experiencing a very longish term of summer, which is unusual.
Yeah. What are you buying today? What's your big investments? What are you looking at?
I'm following your channel. I've been following your channel for a few days, and I'm going through your portfolio. Today, I've been looking into gold. I know you purchased gold a few days ago, so I purchased a few shares and looking forward to seeing the result.
Yeah, hold some gold. You'll always do good long term. If we look at the chart, there you go. It looks a bit like the S&P. Just got to leave it. You can always take. There's no dividend there, but whenever you want some money, you can generally get some money out and take some profits. It just keeps trending up over time. Other than gold, what other stocks are you looking at?
I've also purchased Virgin Galactic, obviously, while we were on your special program last week.
Right.
And to be honest, I followed you. And I made sure that I follow whatever happening on your channel. So I had to sell out.
Did you take some profit then?
I took some profit.
Good.
Where you and Sensei sold.
Good for you.
Yeah, and I kept a little bit. I think 1 or 2 shares now. I think similar to you.
Yeah.
And also another thing I looked into was Bitcoin. Looking at Sensei, looking into launching that program of, I think it's $100 or $1,000 to $10,000 or $100,000.
The challenge. I'm on the $1,000 to $10,000 challenge, but you can be on any level you want. You can be on $10 to $100. It doesn't matter. Do whatever's comfortable for you.
Definitely. I'm comfortable with 1,000 to 10,000.
Okay.
Sensei, through his Discord channel, tried to call me a few times. Unfortunately, I couldn't answer. because I was at work. But yeah, I'm gonna go on the same journey. But being on this channel,
it's working very well for me, I gotta say, because only what I like about Sensei with his crypto challenge, it's not like other YouTubers who just want to pump the channel and, you know, sell views and sell videos. You know, Sensei really cares, and he knows he wants everyone, he wants me to be successful and everyone to see me be successful. So we're not, you know, taking silly risks. And of course, buying crypto is always risky, of course, but I've been in it now for about, I don't know what, 4 or 5 months, maybe a bit longer than that. And I'm up about 60% on my crypto. And what I like about it is he said, hold some USD back. I'm earning like 2% on USD, and it used to be 4%, but Coinbase reduced it. And, you know, I'm up on the half of the money I've actually bought crypto with. I'm up 60%, so I'm thrilled to bits.
that's amazing. And that's one of the things that, Martyn, you always talk about, where your money is not in the market, and then you've got your money into a broker or a platform. And that's absolutely right, because I'm on the same page.
Yeah.
I think I've got an account with one of the brokers called, well, I've got a few accounts on Binance, Coinbase, and the others. And yeah, one of my accounts earning me 5.5%.
Great.
Even though prior to this, I never believed that leave your money to work for you. But honestly, as soon as I joined your group and your YouTube channel, I thought, no, that's the mentality you need to look into. Diversification, making sure everything goes up at the same time. Sometimes you make loss, sometimes you make win, but at the same time, if you got some loose money sitting in your account, at least they make you some money as well.
Exactly. What's the point of having it in the bank earning 0.5% when you can get 4 or 5%? It makes no sense at all. Hey, Poya, it's great to have you on the show. You know what I'm going to ask you now? If you can give me a lovely little soundbite so I can play a soundbite like I do with everybody else. So about 15, 20 seconds, say who you are, where you're from, why they should be a member, why you watch, something like that. Would you be up for that?
I will.
All right. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it away.
I'm Puya Bostani from Iran, joining Martyn Lucas Investment Channel. I'm thoroughly enjoyed it. I think everybody can benefit from the amazing content that Martyn, from his experience, put up on this challenge. Will help you to go and grow and go beyond your investment journey.
Wonderful. That's absolutely great. Poya, thank you for that wonderful soundbite. I look forward to putting that on tomorrow's show. So join us again. Poya, anyone you want to say hello to? Anybody at home?
I want to say hello to my lovely parents. They are in Iran. I'm just saying hi to them. They are resident of UK, but they keep going back to Iran, and hopefully I can share this with them.
Wonderful. Poya, what you can actually do, if you look under the video, there's a pair of scissors. It's called clip. You can actually clip this part of the show, and then you can save it as your own little video. From that point onwards, send it to your family, and they can click on that link, and it will go directly to that part of the video, and they'll hear you say that. That'd be great.
Oh my God, I will do that. They'll be out of this world. They'll just lose their mind.
What's their name?
Kazem and Farah.
I'd like to say hello to Kazem and Farah. My name is Martyn Lucas, and we have Poya on the phone today. All our love to you from here in Dallas, Texas, to you in Iran. Have a wonderful day, and have a wonderful life.
Thank you so much, Martyn.
There you go. My absolute pleasure. And don't forget, Poya, the fact you're a member of my channel, if you decide to donate your birthday to one of your parents or anniversary for their wedding or whatever it might be, you can let me know. We will sing them happy birthday. You can then clip the video, send it to your family in Iran, and they'll have a celebration of anniversary or birthday or any special occasion, because that's one of your benefits as a member.
Of course I will. I really appreciate that.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Poya, thanks for calling in. There's Poya on the phone. That was great, wasn't it? I love it. Really good. And thank you ever so much for that. I love being able to spread the positive news around the world. And we just got a super chat just come in. A man from Earth, because I agree with Poya 100%. I love that. Very, very nice indeed. All right, let me just mark that down so I know at what point Poya called in. So I can edit it later. That was at 1:08. I have that. Right. So 1:08. 1:08. And that's Poya. And that'll be on tomorrow's show. Who else should we hear from? Let's hear. Who haven't we heard from for a while? We've not heard from Kurt Wookert.
I'm Kurt Wookert Jr., and I am blessed to have been on The Day Trader. Please subscribe, watch everything. Martyn is being really, really honest with you guys. It's a killer thing. So check him out. You can check me out at CoinGeek.com and GorillaPool.com. It's been a pleasure.
All right, I've just noticed the time. We're coming up to the end of the show. I've got my physical therapist coming around the house in a minute, so I've got to end the show, I'm afraid. It's been quite a drabby day today. However, what we all like is the red days. Green days, you don't do anything. Red days are a bit depressing, but they're the days you go to work. Never be down. Always find the opportunities.
Because I agree with Poya 100%.
Thank you ever so much indeed. A man from Earth. Thank you ever so much for that $2 super chat. That's very, very kind of you. Appreciate it. All the money I get from super chats goes directly into my show. So thank you for that. Yeah, it's been a bit of a drab day today, but today was good. What have we done today? What have we learned today? Well, we've gained a few more friends and contacts around the world today. That's always good. We've got we've seen the S&P slowly come up again. Virgin Galactic, I bought more today because it went down. I'm now very, very slightly out of the money. We don't need much to get us back into the money. Oh my gosh. I have just seen an amazing super chat come in. Poya Bistani, that's going to get you a song tomorrow night in the closing bell after hours. Friday night is music night here in the studio. What we do, we bring in the crowd. The crowd are here. This is my crowd. The crowd are already here. And tomorrow, behind me in the studio, after the closing bell, we'll have our weekly Friday night concert. And Poya Bistani, for a wonderful tip like that, you have got a song in tomorrow night's show. Join us. It might be a little bit late for your family in Iran, of course, but what you could do is tune in, make a request for your family in Iran, go to martynlucas.com. Oh, it's not going to read it out. Oh, you didn't put if you put a comment, it reads it out. So you could go to martynlucas.com, look at my song list, pick a song. Tomorrow night in the after hours Friday night's music night concert, I will do a song for your family, and then you can clip it under the video, and you can send them the link to that, and they can see your dedication. What do I mean by the clip? Let me share with you what I mean by the clip. Here is the video you're watching right now. If you refresh the screen, you might need to refresh it. There's a little pair of scissors here, clip. And you can find the part of the video, like this, wherever you were doing whatever you wanted to do, and you clip it. You click clip, right? And that creates a little video just there for you. See it there, look. And whoops, let me scroll down. And then you can name it. So you can call it Poya, like that. You can call it Poya, and it goes from that position to that position, backwards and forwards, and you can move it around, and you can make sure it's the right part, look, and then you can share the clip on your social media. So you can do today's video, but what you can also do is tomorrow night's concert. Clicking cancel. Let's get out of that. Discard clip. There you go. Tomorrow night, I can sing a song for you, for your family. You can keep it and then send it to them, and they can watch it whenever it's convenient for them. All right. Have a blessed weekend all, says Ed Nevius. What a wonderful super chat. Thanks for that. It's Shabbos. So GNR will know where to go. It's Shabbos. So Guns N' Roses will know where to go. I'm not sure what that means. I have no idea what that means. Anyway, still need a Major Tom to ground control to Major Tom. We'll do that tomorrow as well. We'll do Starman as well. We'll do Starman tomorrow night. Yes, Zed Hink will do that. Now then, we just got to go because, as I say, I've run out of time. So just before I go, we'll do a couple of things for you. If you want to take part in any of my Twitter polls, here is the Twitter link. There it is. If you want to we've now updated it from today. You can now get the martynlucas.com website. You can now get the newsletter without having to be restricted by the country, by the phone number. Before, people couldn't get it if they didn't have an American phone number. Now, you can just put your email in if you want to customize it and get the birthday card and you want all that stuff. If you've not yet added your name and birthday, do that. If you want the Lucas Titbits only for Americans, but it will come to the rest of the world later, there is the text SMS service. All right? Okay, you've all got that. Let me just delete that. You've got that. And I think we are good. I want to thank everyone for joining us on Rumble this afternoon. Everyone on Facebook, TikTok, 34,000 followers on TikTok. Thank you for joining me. Tomorrow night is Friday night, music night. So if you want to be part of that, make sure you join us and then you can be part of our music concert tomorrow night. All right, do we get any more subscribers today? 9467 9469. Why it's so important right now is I want to get to 10,000 so we can do those fundraisers for our charity events where there are no charges at all. Pastani said, Martyn, if you like, I can look after your website and online presence with pleasure. I know a little bit when it comes to tech. That's very kind of you, Poya Bastani. Well, become part of the family. Let's get to know each other. And I'm always adding people to my team. I've got my researchers. I've got my scalp traders, my chart readers, my crypto with Sensei. I've got my moderators. We build up a relationship over time. And what I will do is invite you to be one of my personal friends on Facebook. I only accept my YouTube members because I've only got a small amount of friend requests left. So if you'd like to be a friend of mine, my personal Facebook, this is, do that. This is my personal Facebook. All right. If you do it now, I will get a friend request up here in the top right-hand corner and I will accept it. And I only accept my members here because I want to reserve my friend requests for my members here. Poya, thank you very much for your offer there. Martyn, I've been a member before, so you already had your first Swedish member. You're not a member now. It's for our members. I can't. I'd love to give it to you, but it has to be for my members that are current members. It deletes it if you're not a member anymore. So these are for my members that are my current members. All right? Understood, of course. All right, Poya, thank you very much indeed. Let me wrap up the show then. And let's do Day Trader of the Day. Let's see who's up and down the most. And that'll be awesome. We build relationships over time. And we get to know each other. And things take time to build those relationships. All right? Okay. Let's wrap up the show with Day Trader of the Day. So we're now going to go over to members only so we can do Day Trader of the Day and see who is up or down the most. I nearly won this morning, but someone took away my prize yesterday as well. Let's see if I can win today. Okay, members only. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go over to members only now and go to your main position. Let's see where we are. Hoping we can get some money out of Virgin Galactic tonight. I don't think it's going to happen. If we could pop up 5-6%, I will take the profit. More than happy to do that. I am down 0.85. Better than this morning. I've gained a little bit from this morning. Down 0.85%. Okay. Mike is down 2.3. Stephen is down 3.26. I'm down 0.85, so I'm winning at the moment. But I got a funny idea. Someone's going to come along and take it away from me. That's what happened last time. Let's see. Down 1.13. Okay. And I'm up. The man from Earth. Oh, there you go. There's always someone. A man from Earth. Congratulations to you. Well done to you. He's up 1.3. 30 seconds to go. Let's see who won today. The S&P is rising. Virgin Galactic is just it's flat on after hours. 19 seconds to go. Joby's going up a bit. Palantir, Rivian. What a run Rivian has had. I can't believe I sold it at the wrong time. Anyway, there it is. Made a profit, makes no odds. A man from Earth up 1.3. So we have a winner. Congratulations to you. Thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up and give him the sound effects. Congratulations, a man from Earth. Senior Polito, Holt, down 1.1%. All right. Thank you ever so much indeed, guys. That's it from me. I'll be back in the morning. We're still working on the 24-hour stream, still working on the newsletters and the tech services, but we're getting closer and closer every day. Hopefully tomorrow we'll have a green day and we turn the studio green. I don't like it red. It's a bit depressing, if I'm honest. I don't like it. I'd much rather it turn a nice shade of green. Anyway, that's it for me. Let's roll the credits. We've got a bit to celebrate. Of course, tomorrow night is music night as well, so we look forward to that. Let's go to the end screen and see how we're doing. Stars of our show, super chats, a man from Earth, Poya Bastani. Get in. I had 2 super chats today. Very, very nice indeed. Appreciate all your support for the channel. Who else do we have? Man from Earth, Poya Bastani. There we go. Wonderful credits. Thank you ever so much. Senor Belito Holt said, I don't know why I always do that. It just sounds the way I should say it. Senor Belito Holt. I don't even know why. Why do I even do that? I don't know why. LOL, cheers. Bye, says Senor. Cheers. Cheers, said Ben. Absolutely right. Thank you, guys. So we're going to wait for the end of the music. We always wait for the end of the music. And some of you always make sure that you put the punchline in. All right, right at the end, on time. Time it. Get it right. And each other. So as the music comes up, I want to see and each other. Let's see if you get it right today. Some of you are getting better at this, but there's some of you are still rubbish. All right, and each other. Be safe, everyone. Drink water. Do you know what? Oh, guess what comes tomorrow? Guess what comes tomorrow? 2 years I've been sitting here. I'm not getting any exercise at all. I haven't put on any weight. I'm still okay. But my fitness is going down the toilet. I did the London Marathon, Tough Mudder, rubbish. Tomorrow, guess what turns up? Because I've got no time for water aerobics, because I'm always with you guys. I've got an elliptical machine. In England, they call it a cross trainer. Going to be doing that tomorrow. That's it from me. Take care of yourselves, your money, your crypto. Where is it? And each other. Stephen Lewandowski got it right. Mike, you let me down. Bye-bye for now.